Hello friends, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I am unboxing the Fall Archer and Olive quarterly subscription box, and I'm very excited to share with you what is inside this box. I purchased this box with my own money, not affiliated, just really love their products. So let's go ahead and dive in. The box is pretty thick, so I'm eager to see what's inside. I did see some sneak peeks, and what I saw I really liked, so I'm excited. The box says, "There's a magic that dwells above us. Every star, every cloud, every shift of light is a reminder that there is more yet to uncover. Let your creativity rise with the sun, wander with the moon, and let it be never ending like the wondrous skies." All right, let's see what's in here. Exciting. All right, I'm going to take everything out of the box and we'll go from there. All right, let's dive in. Here is the card. Sorry if the lighting is really bad. I don't have overhead light right now, and that's okay. So we have Wondrous Skies, turn over for spoilers. I'm not going to turn it over yet. Okay, let's open this first. This is beautiful. I love this color palette. This is definitely one of my favorites. This lighting is not doing this justice, but the color palette is so good. I love it. All right, this is Alpha Sticker Set. Ooh, fun. Oh, that's cool. And we have a lot here. That's really fun. I'll just go through them really quick. Oh, wait, they're kind of stuck together. We get some numbers here too. I really like that. That's great. I like that there's a lot of letters here. I tend to go through them pretty fast, and I'm excited to use these. Okay, let's see what's in this big box here. A celestial pen holder. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's fun. It's iridescent, which is gorgeous. You could just put your pens in there. Awesome. Love that. All right, let's do the washi tape next. Here is the box. Oh, fun. Okay, so we have a plain gold foil washi tape. And then we have the very similar color palette with suns. That's really pretty. Gold foil as well. And then we have some silver night sky with stars and moons. That's really pretty. And then we have the same color palette as the box with stars. That's really pretty. I love that color palette. Okay, we know what that is. I don't know what that is. Oh, gel pens. Okay, just kidding. Okay, let's do the journals. Let me grab my scissors. Okay, let's see what this one is. I love the packaging. Okay, I did see the sneak peek of this one. So this one is like a double-sided notebook. So we have the sun on one side and the moon on the other side. And on this side, we have just black dotted paper. And there is a little bookmark in there, which is nice. And this is so gorgeous. And then we have the sun with your typical white paper. So that's kind of cool. It's very creative, dual-sided notebook. And I love that the spines have decorations on them. Let's do the gel pens. I'm a sucker for gel pens. I love their gel pens. Let's see. Ooh. Set of 2, gold and silver. That's gorgeous. So are they gel pens or are they just regular pens? Either way, they're gorgeous. Oh, they're just regular pens. Okay. Okay, they're regular pens, which is pretty cool. And I love the designs. This is collage paper pad, 2 of them. One is sun, one is moon. Oh, I love this color palette so much. That's gorgeous. Night sky, of course, galaxies, moon. Oh, I love it. That's great. I love that. It's a cute box. Okay, let's look at the next journal. I love this box. That design is my favorite. Ooh, okay. We have the iridescent side here with moons and stars. The spine, we have stars. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's see what color paper. Oh, good, it's regular paper. Love that. If it's like colored paper, I never really know what to do with it. So I am glad this is regular paper. That is so pretty. It's the same on both the sides. And this is an A5 size. Last but not least, we have the Caliographs, which I think I always say that wrong. And I love these so much. We have Sunset Glow, Solar Flare, Purple Eclipse, Astral Blue, and Stellar Blue. Those are really pretty colors. I love the box. That is it for the fall quarterly subscription box. I really love these products. I have to say, I'm excited for the pens, the washi, and the stickers. I can't wait to use these because I am running out of letters stickers. So I'm mostly excited for that, and I do love these as I'm getting into more junk journaling. So these will go in handy. That's awesome. And I love, like, this is so cute. I can use this even as like a planter or something if I wanted to. But anyway, I love this box. I am excited for these products. And if you got this box or if you like any of these items, let me know in the comments below. Feel free to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.